I'm Taiyo Fujii.
I'm Sara Walker.
Karen Lord.
Cronin.
K. Elliott.
Dr. Karen Bakker.
Jingfang.
Katherine Hayles.
Chen in English, Stanley Chen.
My name is Ken Liu. I'm a writer and futurist.
I write science fiction.
So I'm an astrobiologist.
Japanese science fiction writer.
I'm a writer of sociological fiction.
I'm an environmental scientist.
Professor of chemistry.
Science fiction writer.
I'm a research professor.
I'm a science fiction writer, also a futurist.
To me, speculative fiction is a natural outgrowth of being human. Speculative fiction is the vanguard of ideas about the future.
The evolutionary pathways of humans are now entwined with artificial intelligence.
I think fiction is something beyond the reality. It's about possibility.
So maybe there's something even beyond what I can imagine.
I think storytelling is key to the way we think about ourselves and come to understand the universe. And that is a core part of our storytelling about who we are.
It's about how human beings can think out of all these restrictions, limitations.
How we shape the future and how we think about these technologies and how we want to co-evolve with them.
We're now able to do things we could not have done ever before.
Ideas matters because that's how we create the future.
To me, ideas are completely the fuel of life.
Our life will become better than ever. This is why I write speculative fiction.
You celebrate being embodied. You don't try to escape it.
I hope that there's something beyond what I can imagine, because that would make it even more exciting.
The most interesting part of science fiction is the space, the punctuation. That's where the magic happens.